Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if I talk about my day is going well so far. And now I'm discussing about like topics of today is like a 22 day of English speaking practice. And today I'm discussing about the what have learned in the 22 day of my English speaking practice. I am going to explain my experience, like changing and how I am thinking has English, how my thinking has changed in 22 days. I have started to think in English. So basically, one of the biggest thing is like this is when I start to speak, I am not force myself to hurry on here. Here I use this sentence. Here I use this sentence. That sentence. Just to basically, I am go through like fluency. I am just start to think in English, and I'm not force myself to translate to Hindu to English. I am just thinking that like automatically in my mind sentences structures are making a creative. And if you are just see the my real changes in my life. So basically I'm very proud of myself to say that I'm right path. And if I follow the same process of learning journey in my English journey, I will learn this language in just 2 or 3 months to become a fluent in English speaker. Like not too much, not too much, but at least I speak like to share my ideas and feelings. And in my when I will start to give the interview, in that interview I will not face like face the problems while speaking, while explaining my project. And I give the brief explanation of the projects. And when I am the interviewer, interviewer will be happy when they saw the Hindi medium background student. They speaks well Hindi, very good English. They speak well, they understood. So they proudly. I'm also proudly say that I used to I used to study till class 12th in Hindi medium, but due to my consistency and practice today, I am able to speak this language. And I have followed the consistency of being the learning of this language. So once I have been followed, I have been learning this language in 6 months. And today I am speaking this language very confidently to hear. And I'm very thankful that I'm very thankful that to share my ideas here. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to 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 thank you for giving me platform where I can show my ideas. And whatever I have learned so far. So I just explained to you. So it was just because this will be my first opportunity where I will just explaining my thoughts and feelings. So just it was it will be the good things. So it will be for me too. And now I'm just I was just you can just relate my videos. And when I and I watch I usually watch my videos when I become a fluent speaker. When I watch my first videos where I start to learn this language. In my first videos I just start. I am very nervous when I first time I used to record the video in front of camera. And just I realized that but isn't this like a 22 day of my English practice. And now I just realized that if you are consistent, if you are practice this language, you can definitely to speak this language. Don't think like I do the mistakes. Mistakes is normal things, but when you start to speak, then you do the mistakes. Then you realize that here I do the mistakes. And you start to correct. You start to correct those mistakes, but you don't start to speak this language. And how does it possible to how will be possible that to you will be become fluent. And it take more time when you just think watch the speaking podcast and something else. So but you just you will start to speak, and I am just the real example of this language, and I am just speaking this language 22 day 22 day of speaking practice, and due to this, and once I have followed this session, the next I will follow this session next 2 or 3 months, then how will I become to how will be I become, like how much I get the how much I acquire the fluency, how much I get the speaking practice, and from today I am just I will just record the 10-minute video, but just I say because my phone last video I was said that my phone storage every day full, so I just upload the video on YouTube. Then I delete my gallery and from my storage. Then I will start the record. Then I will start to record these videos. So I just am discussing about like, and next I am discussing about now I directly start to think in English. And most of the learners they have a problem to think in English. They just start to converting. They just start to convert this language Hindi to English. And this will not right way to speak this language. Once you are just start to think in English to English, and it will come. It will come. It will become your skill when you start to speak this language. Until you start, it never you never learn this language. You should just start it. You have to learn because once you want to get a good job, you want to become a professional life, because the English will provide the environment, and for every video I just say you English will provide the environment and provide the opportunity. They don't give the job, but they basically they provide the job, and they provide the job, they provide the opportunity, they open the lots of doors for the job for the. And before starting the session of the English recording video, I thought every day where when will I speak this language? Just I think I take the lots of steps, but now they just I'm very happy to now I'm very happy that to learn this language. I'm very happy to learn this language. This is my one of the professions, one of my hobbies to speak, to learn this language, to speak in the public language. Once I able to speak this language, then I interact with the different videos. I create a podcast where I discuss the different cities, different life places. Because I want to communicate, I want to discuss, I love to discuss the different areas. Those will help me to learn the growth, because God gives the certain time to live this in this earth. So at least you start to explore our life. They don't try to give the basically. I say you that you don't give the rights to other person who can just just कोई और आपको दुखी ना कर सके. No one can decide your family. Once instead of Professor Teacher, you can just think that I use the beside instead of like. So it will come from that. I just realized that in these days I have known the grammar skills, I have the multiple vocabulary, but once I start to speak, once I start to learn this language, then automatically I use the multiple things, and it will come from basically. I have seen the multiple times of the people who have not like a degree, who has only 10th or 12th class, but they speak very good English. So how that possible to speak? How that possible to speak this language? It's possible that too. They are just following the consistency and follow the. But I am an engineer, so how will I not? How could not possible to speak this language? How could I not possible to speak this language? I am also speaking this language. I am also speaking this language due to the consistency. While maintaining the consistency, once I follow the consistency, definitely to speak this language in front of anyone, in front of any here. Today just feel very happy because due to that I have maintained my consistency, I maintained my whatever I do, I love to do. And now, if I talk about previous, if I talk about my previous 2 or 3 months back, so I those months are very like if you talk about my 2000 2025. 2025 is my worst year of one of these, one of the worst year. Like no, I cannot express that year. So how that year I learned, and 2025 I learned so many things in that year, but I so much sadness because my mom faced a lot of problem. I have go through I have go through the breakup, and I have learned so many things. And the main problem is that my mom my mom is the facing the problem of oppression. I have now always I was just thinking about my mom, and most of the time I talking with my family. Most of the time I was talking with family due to the my mind was distracted at that time. But now that I just feel like free, I'm just free to work, free for my work. I indulge myself to work whatever I will do, and every day just I study like 3 a.m. night. Just you can relate with them how much how how much I'm addicted with my study, how much I indulge myself to to do the study. But now they just say, and I am very happy to follow my consistency. And I will, if I maintain this consistency till uh, till like next 6 months or 1 year, then I would definitely say that your level will be reached the next level. No one can. And just you are when you are once you reach that level, then you are see behind, just see your past, just move, and just see your past. Like here, what can I say? Like just if यदि तुम अपने past को देखो, यदि तुम अपने जो whatever I have faced in past, I have faced in my past. So just you watch your past, just you are relate with that time, just you are relate with the present and your past, and you are seeing the most. There are huge difference between the both, and there is no difference between the first time and this time. So that time you start to that time emotional feels like emotional because I have faced a lot of problems in the past. I have gone through the lots of problems and circumstances. But nowadays I want to do something different, so I will walk myself. I am working on myself. I am working on multiple things because I want to explore the different technology. Because in the AI generation, you can just say AI world. So if you are just work like write a code, think like manually, write a code manually, then be like you will be like so you will be like your way of work, work efficiency will be reduced. So just you are start to work smartly. The company they don't need those employees who can write the code manually, write the code something like line by line. Just you have a knowledge, like just you have a knowledge how how can you how how you work, how will you work, how your work will like करवा अपना काम कैसे करवाते हो by the chat GPT, through chat GPT. How does your work करवाना क्या होगा where I forget the sentence. Now let's skip it, the sentences. This will be like something different. I cannot speak this type of sentence, but I like just like I will relate the sentence with the real. And just I want to work. Just you know that how you work, how to work with the chat GPT, how to use the chat GPT. with the help of the when you start to make the something productive, when you start to make the any product, then you know that you must be know that to, so how have to how you have to how you have to use the chat gpt. So when you know that this thing, then company will provide you the highest package. I just say you these things, and this, and now I am here. I record the 15 video topic and stop it here. I stop it video, and I will speak like without camera. So here